Okay.
Alright, Steve Kara, Whitecrest Renovations. We're building an outdoor pool cabana and storage. We've already done all the framing supports in concrete. So now we are putting the 3/4 ton and glue ply, and recommended that you glue it down, which is what we're doing. A lot of builders don't, but it's a lot better. And we are now using screws, not nails, because they won't pop and you get a longer durable
What size screw?
floor than that. 2 inch.
2 inch. And what else do you have to put it on an angle?
Yeah, when you're joining two seams together, you're obviously splitting the wood right down the middle. So you're trying to make sure that you line up the screws. You also line them up together so that it sucks the floor down evenly and you don't have waves in your floor.
The end. Welcome back. Ready?
Welcome back. Okay, we're framing exterior walls at either a house, in this case like a shed, and we want to sheet the wall before we flip it up. So if you go any other way or any other method than this, your walls can be off square. So what we're doing is we have our blue line, which is the snap line for where the wall wants to sit. Please look down here. So we're tacking the wall nice and straight on the blue line all the way down this end as well. And the reason for that is we're going to take this measuring tape. Okay, we're tacked. Now we take the measuring tape.
Measuring tape.
And this is
my job to get the tools.
This is the cross diagonal method. You grab from the corner there to this point, and when these two numbers from that corner to that corner and this corner to that corner are identical, then it's square. So we're 50, 150 and an eighth. And now we'll do the other way. So we're off by 7/8. So this one has to get
7/8 cut.
Nope, you move it. See? That's how you're going to find out when you're square. Those two numbers have to match.
I'm actually on site today, and I'm blown away by the progress, to be honest. Look at the framework. Have to cover that with plywood. There's Steve in the change room. Say hi, Steve.
Hello.
Don't worry, I'm not getting your pants in the video. Window. This is going to be the new entrance. Our fridge, the change room, more roof, electrical.